Welcome to Kids Learning TV. ABC fruits for children. A for apple. B for banana. C for coconut. D for damson. E for elderberry. F for feijoa. G for grapes. H for honeydew melon. I for akako. J for jackfruit. K for karanda. L for lime. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for quince. R for rose apple. S for strawberry. T for tamarind. U for uvula. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for Ximenia. Y for yuzu. Z for Zinfandel. Thanks for watching.